Hi, I'm Usama, founder of Botsify, and today I want to show you something we've been building for a few months, and I'm super excited about it. A new Botsify, a platform that's no longer just drag and drop. It's intelligent, it's conversational, it's agentic. Best part is that you are not just building a bot, you are building an agent. Botsify is now powered by an AI agent that understands your goals and builds for you. Imagine saying, like, build me an agent for my fitness coaching business that integrates with my CRM, and it's done. But let's pause for a second. Think about how you'd build that same bot using the old way. You'd go to flows, create new blocks manually, set user messages, bot responses, add delays, integrate JSON API, make sure its format is correct, switch to branding tab to upload a logo, then update colors. And don't forget saving everything after every small change. It worked, but it wasn't smart. It wasn't easy enough. Not let's see how we do things with Agentic Botsify platform. Build me a chatbot for Pizza Palace that greets customers, shows today's menu, and lets them place orders using my API endpoint. It's done. Now let's update agent name, picture, and colors. Rename this bot to Pizza Genie and update the logo attached and make the branding colors yellowish and orangish. It's done. Let's give our agent a try before adding more cool stuff. Now let's upload our menu PDF document instead so agent knows exact price and ingredients we use in each flavor. It's done. Simple, isn't it? But wait, there's more. The best part is you can add over 5,000 plus apps to your agents using MCPs. Think Stripe, Shopify, calendars, Google Sheets, all accessible inside conversations. Let's connect it with our Shopify store. It's done. Let's give it a final try. Amazing, isn't it? It took me less than 5 minutes to build this. But here's the wild part. This agent you're talking to is also an MCP, bundling and orchestrating everything else. It's portable, so you can take it with your Claude, Cursor, or even ChatGPT. We are now migrating all your existing chatbots to AI agents. No steps needed on your side. Botsify is now powered by a real AI agent. Not just smarter, but fundamentally different. Try it now at botsify.com or book a session and see what your agent can do live. This is Botsify. Let's build the future together.